Hello guys, and welcome to the Lex Academy if you are new to the channel, and also if you're a returning subscriber, we are glad to have you back. Yeah, so without wasting much time, this is going to be a React crash course where you will learn key React concepts you need to get started with React, and by the end of the lessons would be building a simple React application. Yeah, so let's get to the video. Before moving on, please do well to drop a like for the YouTube algorithm, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so this video can be recommended to as many um that wants to learn React. Yeah, so a lot of you might be curious to know what React is and why we actually need it. So React is a JavaScript library that is used for building user interfaces and particularly for building single page applications, SPAs for short. Yeah, this course is for beginners with basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you have little knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you have nothing to worry about. Yes, so this course is for you.